Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Gather your ingredients for seitan: 1 cup vital wheat gluten, 1/2 cup chickpea flour, 1/2 cup nutritional yeast, 6 3/4 cup water or vegetable broth, divided, 2 tablespoons soy sauce or tamari, 1 teaspoon ground ginger, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, optional, sliced onion, fresh ginger, nori, poultry seasoning. The 16th of September 2019.
Take our lead.
Garlic and onion powder are completely optional, but they will make your seitan taste even better. Vegetable stock and tamari or soy sauce give the seitan an amazing flavor and also a beautiful color. If you can't eat soy, just add some salt to taste. 29 September 2019.
Make your mark, take our lead.
If steaming, place the foil-wrapped seitan in a steamer basket in a pot over 2 inches of water. Cover and steam until the seitan has firmed up, anywhere from 40 to 60 minutes, depending on how you formed the seitan. 15 May 2017.
Let's help you make your mark.
Seitan is a dough, and like most dough, it needs to be kneaded. The longer you knead the dough, the more gluten you develop, leading to a chewier seitan. If you want a less chewy and more tender seitan, knead it for a shorter period of time.
Make your mark, take our lead.
But you can see that seitan is actually a bit higher in protein and lower in fat than tofu. Naturally, tofu is a bit higher in fat and thus lower in total protein. You can buy low-fat or higher-fat versions of each. Seitan is an awesome high-protein source of lean veggie protein. 16 February 2009.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.